Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today's question comes from a woman who has been divorced for several years. Welcome. What is your question?
Hello, James. I am divorced. I live alone. When I am alone, I feel lonely. But when I think about marriage, I feel afraid. What should I do? Should I remarry? Some days I want to remarry. Other days, I never want to marry again. I cannot decide whether I should remarry. Honestly, I am exhausted.
Tell me why.
Friday nights are the worst. I leave work. Everyone seems to be going somewhere. Some are meeting friends. Some are going home to their families. Then I drive home. I open the front door. The house is dark. Nobody is there. Nobody asks me how my day was. Nobody says my name. Sometimes I stand in the kitchen. I open the refrigerator. Then I close it. Then I open it again. I am not hungry. I am lonely. Last month I went shopping. I saw an old couple. They were arguing about fruit. It was nothing special, but I almost cried because they had someone to talk to, someone to grow old with, someone waiting at home. I felt jealous.
Then why not remarry?
Because I remember my marriage. My husband drank too much. He came home late, sometimes after midnight, sometimes after 2 in the morning. I waited. I worried. I cried. And when I complained, he blamed me. He said I was too sensitive. After years of that, I left. The divorce hurt, but staying would have hurt more. When it was over, I promised myself something. Never again. Never again. Never again.
Yet here you are.
Yes, that is what makes me angry. Why do I still want someone? Why do I still miss marriage?
Did you meet anyone after your divorce?
Yes, I met a man in a hiking group. He was kind. He listened. He was nothing like my ex-husband. We started meeting for coffee, then dinner, then weekend trips. For the first time in years, I felt excited. I thought maybe this was a new beginning.
What happened?
One Saturday morning, he sent me a message. It said, "I want some time alone today." That was all. A simple message, a normal message, but I could not relax. I checked my phone again and again. I wanted to text him. Then I stopped myself. Then I wanted to text him again. I checked his social media. I looked at old photos. I kept asking myself questions. Is he losing interest? Is he leaving me? Did I do something wrong? By lunchtime, I was exhausted. He had done nothing, but inside my head, everything was falling apart. Later, the relationship ended. Another goodbye, another empty house. So tell me, what should I do? Remarry or stay alone?
Let me ask you something. Were you lonely when you were married?
Yes, many times.
Then your problem cannot simply be living alone.
What do you mean?
You were lonely when someone lived in your house, and you are lonely now. So marriage itself is not the answer.
That sounds too simple. Being lonely is not simple. Have you ever gone to the hospital alone? Have you ever spent New Year's Day alone? Have you ever come home sick with nobody to call? Loneliness is real.
I agree. Loneliness is real. Your pain is real. But let me ask another question. When that man wanted one day alone, did he leave you?
No.
The next day?
No.
The next week?
No.
Then who created all those terrible stories in your head?
I did.
Yes, the fear was real, but the story came from you.
Then what should I do? Should I remarry or not?
Do you like daytime?
What?
Do you like daytime?
Yes,
Why?
because it is bright.
Do you like nighttime?
Yes, it is cool and peaceful.
Good. Now tell me, would you like daytime brightness and nighttime coolness at the same time?
Of course.
Can you have both?
No,
Why not?
because they are opposites.
Exactly. Daytime gives brightness, but it also gives heat. Nighttime gives coolness, but it also gives darkness. You cannot choose only the advantages. Living alone is the same. It gives freedom, but it also gives loneliness. Marriage is the same. It gives companionship, but it also gives conflict. Which cost are you willing to pay?
I do not know.
Because you are still looking for a free option.
What do you mean?
You want companionship without conflict, love without disappointment, freedom without loneliness, warmth without responsibility. You want daytime brightness and nighttime coolness together. Life does not work that way.
No, that is not fair. I am not asking for perfection. I just want a good relationship.
Good. Then answer honestly. If you meet a good man tomorrow, will he sometimes disappoint you?
Probably.
Will he sometimes misunderstand you?
Probably.
Will he sometimes want to be alone?
Yes,
Will he sometimes annoy you?
definitely.
And will you sometimes annoy him?
Probably.
Then what exactly are you looking for?
I do not know.
Let us go back to that old couple. What did you see?
They looked happy.
Did you see their arguments?
No.
Did you see their disappointments?
No.
Did you see their sacrifices?
No.
Then what did you really see?
Maybe I only saw what I wanted.
Which was?
The warm part, the comfortable part, the part where someone waits for me at home.
And what did you not see?
The difficult part, the compromises, the arguments, the disappointments.
Exactly.
Wait, I think I finally see it.
Tell me.
All this time, I thought I was choosing between marriage and being alone, but that was not my real problem.
Go on.
I wanted the warmth without the burden, the love without the risk, the companionship without the conflict, the freedom without the loneliness. I wanted only the advantages. I wanted a choice with no price. But there is no such thing.
Yes.
Every road has a price. Being alone has a price. Marriage has a price. Freedom has a price. Love has a price. The real question is not, should I remarry? The real question is, which price am I willing to pay?
Very good.
I do not know the answer yet, but for the first time, I know the right question.
And that is the beginning of wisdom. Before we finish, let me leave you with one thought. Suffering begins when we want only the advantages of life. Peace begins when we accept the cost that comes with our choices. And remember, there is no free road. There is only the road whose price you are willing to pay. If this message spoke to your heart, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.